Hello, today we are going to talk about crypto meltdown. Major exchanges have been shaken by the turmoil in the cryptocurrency industry, which has lowered the value of digital assets. However, at least one group stands to benefit: bankruptcy attorneys. Involving the cryptocurrency exchange FTX, the hedge fund Three Arrows Capital, and crypto lenders BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Voyager Digital Ltd. are providing law firms that advise troubled businesses with new opportunities and substantial fees. Experts stated that during a prolonged bankruptcy, substantial legal fees can exceed $100 million. Adam Levitin, a bankruptcy law professor at Georgetown University, stated, "You have to pay the gravedigger. It shouldn't come as a surprise that these cases will require a lot of attorney involvement because they are complicated cases with a lot of novel issues. This year, the value of Bitcoin Trust has decreased by 65%, dragging down the value of other cryptocurrencies and sending investors into a tailspin. The cryptocurrency industry was rocked once more by last month's spectacular FTX collapse. According to court filings, Kirkland charges up to $1,995 per hour for its partners' work on the Celsius and Voyager cases. These rates are among the highest in the industry. In each of those instances, the company, which did not respond to a request for comment, has billed an average of approximately $3.3 million per month. In bankruptcy cases, lawyers for the debtor company are required to detail their billings and request a judge's approval for their fees, even though law firm billing rates are typically not made public. The assets of a bankruptcy estate are used to pay the lawyers, and experts stated that judges rarely request significant reductions in professional fees. Lynn Lopucky, a law professor at the University of Florida who has studied bankruptcies and corporate restructuring, stated, "Kirkland is already dominant in large public company bankruptcies, and this is just extending to a new area of bankruptcy. Kirkland is just extending to a new area of bankruptcy. They will remain at the top if they control crypto." According to court filings, one of Kirkland's biggest recent cases was the long-running bankruptcy of satellite services provider Intelsat, for which it was paid $83 million in legal fees and reimbursements, and billed for more than 87,000 hours. Joshua Sussberg, a partner at Kirkland, serves as lead counsel in all three of the company's bankruptcy cases involving crypto. In recent years, he has been involved in numerous significant corporate bankruptcies, including those for Cineworld Group and J.C. Penney Co. Inc., the bankruptcy counsel for FTX's Sullivan and Cromwell on Wall Street. In a 2021 case involving Comtour Gold Company, the firm's partners charged up to $1,825 per hour. The firm has not yet disclosed its fees. As a creditor in the Celsius and Voyager bankruptcies, Sullivan and Cromwell is also representing trading firm Alameda Research, which was founded by FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. A request for clarification was not received from the law firm. Latham & Watkins, which serves as debtor's counsel to Three Arrows Capital and advises Celsius on regulatory issues, has the highest disclosed maximum billing rate as crypto bankruptcies rise. According to court documents, the highest rate is $2,075 per hour. Additionally, Latham did not respond to a request for information. Legal experts stated that the cryptocurrency cases are particularly significant for the bankruptcy practices of law firms due to the slowing of Chapter 11 filings brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, and the difficulties faced by big-box retailers. Crises in some industries, like cryptocurrency, can keep business running smoothly and provide years of consistent revenue. Experts in bankruptcy law say that lawyers in crypto cases must deal with a slew of new issues related to bankruptcy law, such as whether digital assets deposited on a platform belong to the customer or the platform itself. That assurance could assist with concluding the amount of their store a client is probably going to recover from a bankrupt firm. According to Levitin, who previously worked in the restructuring department of the law firm Weil, Gotschall, and Manges, such intricate questions necessitate top-tier attorneys. In any case, it turns out to be only a get race where it's the greatest and most complex loan bosses snatching everything for themselves, he said. In October, producer prices in the Eurozone fell more than anticipated month over month and sharply year over year, underscoring economists' expectations that inflation may have reached its peak. Prices at factory gates in the 19 countries that share the euro decreased by 30.8% year over year in October, down from a 41.9% annual increase in September, according to Eurostat. The EU Statistics Office. Since May 2020, producer prices have not decreased month to month for the first time. Reuters polled economists and found that they anticipated a decrease of 2% per month and a rise of 31.5% annually. The monthly drop in the index as a whole was primarily caused by a 6.9% decrease in energy prices. Energy price growth decreased from 108% in September to 65.8% year over year. The European Central Bank wants to keep producer prices at 2% in the medium term because they are an early indicator of consumer prices. Ease significantly more than anticipated, bolstering the case for a slowdown in European Central Bank rate hikes next month and raising hopes that the astronomically high rate of price growth is now past its peak. Thank you for watching. For more financial news and info, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.